Hello, wait. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Priya Mehta from Nairobi. And हमेशा जो मैं आप लोगों से प्रॉमिस करती रही हूँ कि आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग सम डिफरेंट फर्टिलिटी पीपल जो लोग डिफरेंट हीलिंग मोडालिटी से कनेक्टेड हैं और जो आप लोगों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं। और मेरी हमेशा यही सोच रही है कि डिफरेंट मोडालिटीज आप तक पहुंचाऊं ताकि जिससे भी आप कनेक्ट फील करो आप उनको अप्रोच कर सकते हो और अपनी लाइफ को बेटर बना सकते हो। दैट इज समथिंग इज माय गोल। सो आज मैं आप लोगों के पास से आप लोगों के बीच में लेके आई हूँ मिस्टर राहुल जॉर्ज। ही इज अ hypnosis self hypnosis coach and he's a very good guide, a personal guide. So over to Rahul. He's Rahul George
From Bangalore, India.
from Bangalore, India. Welcome, Rahul, to my channel, and I'm so happy
Thank
to know
you.
you.
Thank you so much,
I have
Priya.
already taken a session with you, and I love the way you are a pro and you have a really strong hold on your subject. So I really wanted कि आप अपने बारे में introduction दो and what is actually
Beautiful.
hypnosis आप वो share करो for the basics.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So, first things first, thank you so much
Welcome.
for your intuition and my intuition connecting like this. And, this is where some of the most amazing connections happen. I obviously had no clue, no idea that we would be here in this recording when we met. But I want to thank you first. And of course, I've been doing this work now for quite a while. My journey began close to about 21 years ago in this field. And today, of course, I focus on hypnosis and hypnotherapy. More importantly, my intention is to teach people self hypnosis. Right. The core of my audience is, of course, digital coaches. Today we call them digital coaches, but you and I know we're all healers. Some of us are blessed to have that awareness that we are meant to do this work. And when we're able to blend both doing the work and also earning a living from it, it's like literally living in paradise. So this
Definitely.
is where I am today. But like I said, several now, literally 2 decades ago, I used to work in advertising, and then I started to make that shift. I asked this one question, which maybe your viewers might benefit from, which was, what do I really want to do? The answer I got was I knew what I did not want to do. And that began my journey. And of course, we'll definitely share more as the conversation progresses. But in essence, this is, what sort of led me down the path. And over a period of time, initially I discovered neuro-linguistic programming, or today a lot of people are aware of this term called NLP. So I discovered it somewhere around 2007 and somewhere around 2011. After having studied in India, I said, okay, I need to go deeper. So I was very blessed to go to the US and literally study with the co-founder of neuro-linguistic programming. The reason why I'm telling you this also is your question is a very powerful question, which is, what is hypnosis? Right. And
True.
so when I started to discover that, a lot of our what we experience in our life is based on how we think, and more importantly, the words that we use. Now, some of it could be the words that we say out loud, but a lot of it is our own inner, what we call inner dialogue, or our own inner, conversations that we're having with ourselves. So
True.
just a disclaimer, we are not crazy when we're having internal conversations. It's normal. We
It's
all
normal.
have this, even right now as you and I are speaking and listening. There is that inner dialogue that is, processing, that's being aware of what's happening in the moment. So
Definitely.
that journey actually led me to, one, of course, was find out, who is out there that is doing this work. So initially it was, NLP and Dr. Richard Bandler. And in the recent past, I found another amazing teacher based in Portugal. Um, Again, going deeper into the core of hypnosis, learning it, and also to be able to teach it. Now, coming to your core question, what is hypnosis? Let me put it to you this way. We are all in a state at any given point in time. We're either in a state of consciousness or unconsciousness. Classic example is when we are, let's say, sitting in a car, especially when we're driving, we have what you can consider driving hypnosis. I'm sure we've all had that experience. 1 minute you're driving, you're at the signal, suddenly you're like 3 signals later, you're like, whoa, where did time disappear? Right? So even though we're extremely like zoned in, we know, clutch, brake, all of that. We know when people are crossing or whatever, but somewhere in our minds, we've gone away momentarily. So that's one kind of hypnosis. So it's basically being, it's intense focus on something, right? So that in a way is describing what hypnosis is. There's the other hypnosis, especially, I'm sure your viewers watch themselves on, let's say, the mirror. They look at the mirror and they go into some other world, right? Either they're appreciating themselves and they get lost in that, or they are depreciating themselves and they go into past or future and feel bad, right?
True.
So that's all hypnosis. But basically, we are no longer present. Yeah. So this is like the very long but short version of what is hypnosis. And I'm really looking forward to your
extreme
questions.
focus on some particular feeling, extreme focus that you
That's
forget
right.
your present reality where you are
That's
sitting or
right.
doing or whatever.
Exactly.
Amazing. But how can hypnosis help somebody? Like if somebody has a trauma or any kind of hindrance, because as healers, people generally approach us, or maybe even in your life have attracted towards
Correct.
hypnosis for some reason, right? So like in your life, you were into marketing, advertising. So how did hypnosis, came into your life, or you wanted it to be a part of it, and then later you decided
Absolutely.
to teach, share, and experience yourself?
Correct. So to go back to the core of my journey, because I can only speak from my perspective, in hindsight, even choosing advertising and marketing, it's all about hypnosis, right? The only difference is it's called mass hypnosis, right? You have a company that spends literally crores and crores of rupees to be able to get us to think a certain way. That is classic hypnosis. The only difference is I didn't know that by label, I was actually learning hypnosis. I was learning how to hypnotize other people. Having said that, of course, when I started to look inward and I really wanted to do my own inner work, my own, like focus on my inner journey, that's when I initially started with counseling, which was I did a course in counseling. And of course, when I started to understand what counseling was, and just a quick reminder here, before all of this, even my degree was in psychology. So I've always been interested in the human mind, in, why we say what we say, what makes us think the way we think. So, I've always been interested in human psychology. It's just that I was always looking for a more practical way to be able to do that. And so, of course, as I was sharing with you over the course of these last 15 to 18 years of actually studying, I figured out that there are ways in which we can go deeper, in which we can discover, how we are thinking, and more importantly, what we want to think. Right. So that's when hypnosis becomes practical, and we can use it in so many different areas, whether it is, in, fitness, wellness, weight loss. Like these are like some of the typical places where we can really benefit.
But how exactly, I mean, if a layperson comes to you, I mean, how exactly, suppose, for example, if I'm a Reiki healer and somebody comes to me with some issue, so I know the energy centers, how energy is healing, how to meditate and send healing. So there's a process where how I'm able to access their life. So in hypnosis, how exactly you're accessing them to help them?
Beautiful. Amazing question, right? So here's the thing. There are 2 states that hold all the answers to whatever we want in our life. 2 states. One is the past, and 2 is the future. Now, most of us have already created a future, whether we are realizing it or not, based on not the present, based on 1 minute ago, 1 year ago, 10 years ago, 40, 50 years ago, depending on where we are right now in our lives. So that also means that the good news is we have something called neuroplasticity, which basically means that I actually have the ability to travel back in time and reimagine what I experienced.
Okay.
As crazy as that sounds, it's true. right? Because every experience that we had it once, but we have a remembrance which is subject to interpretation.
Right. So अगर मैं शुद्ध हिंदी
हाँ बिल्कुल
में समझाना चाहूँ, इट इज मोर लाइक
बिल्कुल
यू
बिल्कुल
ऑलरेडी हैव, आपका एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ में हो चुका है, इट कैन बी गुड और बैड, वो एक बार हुआ है फिजिकल फॉर्म में, बट जनरली डिपेंडिंग
yes
अपॉन आवर मेमोरीज और आवर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, इधर वी आर रीलिविंग इट, बार बार उसको हम जीते हैं अपने विचारों में और उसको फील करते हैं, ये हुआ था, दुख था, अच्छा था, वॉट एवर, वी आर रीलिविंग इट अगेन एंड
बिल्कुल
again.
बिल्कुल
That is something
बिल्कुल
God, you can have a, it's a power of our own self that we can relive our past. So basically through hypnosis,
yes
you are helping to relive and correct it, reliving it and
yes
doing
to
the
add one
corrections
more
there.
बिल्कुल
Yeah. Mm.
बिल्कुल to add one more as a sort of a simpler way to understand it, we basically hypnosis is a filter. तो ये है कि अभी तक जो हम लोग ने फिल्टर यूज किया है, जैसे जैसे गाड़ी में वो फिल्टर या क्या बोलते हैं एयर फिल्टर जो होते हैं ना हमारे घर में, राइट,
Mm.
वो
Mm.
हम लोग क्लीन नहीं करते हैं. तो मान लो अगर इफ वी हैव एन एयर फिल्टर विच वी हैव यूज फॉर 5 साल 10 साल, वाटर फिल्टर का भी जो होता है, राइट, वाटर फिल्टर हम लोग एटलीस्ट साल में एक बार या 2 साल में एक बार तो क्लीन ही कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि वो काम
That too
करना बंद
company
कर देता
reminds
है.
us. Yeah.
कंपनी रिमाइंडर
क्योंकि वो
स्टिल
हमें
समो
फिजिकल
नहीं,
फॉर्म
अभी
में
नहीं
रिमाइंडर
बात.
मिलता है.
यस
ट्रू.
बट हम लोग जो हैं ये नहीं सोच पाते हैं कि अंटिल वी डू, बट तब तक हम लोग ये नहीं सोच पाते हैं कि एक्चुअली आई नीड टू क्लीन माई फिल्टर. 1 2 आई कैन क्लीन माई फिल्टर. हम लोग को ये लगता है कि एक बार किसी ने मेरे से विश्वासघात किया, लेट्स से 20 साल पहले, राइट, वो स्टोरी हम
थैंक
लोग
यू
बार
फॉर
बार
हिंदी.
दोहराते जाते हैं. Thank you.
True.
I try. No, not try, but as much as I can, right? So
Come on,
the
you
point is,
speak good Hindi. Yeah.
thank you, thank you. The point is कि हम लोग ये नहीं जान पाते हैं कि we can actually go back and change it. And that is where hypnosis plays a huge role. कि हम actually change कर सकते हैं, right? Because जैसे अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं ना perspective, angle.
Yes. Yes.
तो आप एंगल से देखोगे तो जैसे आज के जमाने में हम लोग फोन जब सेल्फी लेते हैं, एक एक एंगल होता है जो हमारा सही एंगल होता है. इट इज नॉट लाइक कि हम लोग गंदे गंदे दिखते हैं, अच्छे दिखते हैं. नो, देयर इज वन एंगल विच इज परफेक्ट फॉर अस.
Perfect. True. We all make that
इट्स
angle.
ट्रू,
Definitely.
राइट. फोटोग्राफर से आप बात करोगे, ये पहली चीज यही बताएंगे, व्हाट इज योर एंगल. बाकी में यू विल बी 50-50, ओके ओके. इट्स द सेम थिंग विद लाइफ.
True.
एंड hypnosis actually helps you look at एक जो घटना हुआ, to look at it from a different perspective. Because, say for example, going back to your question, supposing somebody had a, let's take mild trauma for now. गहरा वाला नहीं, mild trauma.
Right.
कि किसी ने आपको कुछ फैमिली के सामने नीचा दिखा दिया, right? Now what happens is, because of that, you've lived your life a certain way. But imagine going back now to that younger person with all this life experience of the last 5-10, now you're getting it, 5-10-15-20 years. ये एक्सपीरियंस के साथ जब हम वापस जाते हैं और वो जो हमारा छोटा वाला जो वर्जन है, अगर हम उसको बताएंगे कि भाई डोंट वरी, ठीक है, तुम्हारा वो एक्सपीरियंस था, बट हियर इज अ वे टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट नॉट एवरीबडी इज आउट टू हर्ट यू, नॉट एवरीबडी इज आउट टू नीचा दिखा यू. जब वो बात हम लोग अपने जो यंगर वर्जन से हम लोग करने शुरू करते हैं, इट मे साउंड लिटिल क्रेजी फॉर सम पीपल अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ है. But the thing is, we are anyway always talking to ourselves. The difference is we are now saying thank you for that experience, and let's learn what we actually learned from somebody showing us a certain way.
True.
Why? The question
True.
is why. It is not about only cleaning up the past. It is so that we are now ready for the next 20, 30, 40, 50 years of our lives that can be different. And the reason I say this also is because आज के जमाने में जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी और मेडिसिन इतना बढ़ रहा है, इतना द इट्स ओनली गेटिंग बेटर, देयर इज अ वेरी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी कि हम लोग सब एटलीस्ट 30 से 40 साल ज्यादा जी सकते हैं. So the point is, why not prepare for that future?
डेफिनेटली एंड
By
मोर ओवर एक्सेप्टेंस 90% तो हम एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हैं ना कि हमारा फिल्टर
exact,
खराब है, हम रोज अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं,
exact,
टॉकिंग नाइस,
exact,
हाउ कैन द फिल्टर बी डर्टी, वी आर फाइन बिकॉज
correct,
हम
correct.
प्रेजेंट, ओके हम इस मामले में तो प्रेजेंट देख रहे हैं और अदरवाइज फ्यूचर क्रिएट करने के लिए हम पास्ट में उलझे हुए हैं, even though
Yes,
we know it
beautiful.
is law, have to enjoy your present moment,
Yes,
लेकिन जहां
yes,
अपने आप को क्लीन करने की बात आती है, कंफर्ट जोन तोड़ने की बात आती है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करने की बात
yes,
आती है, तब तो हम प्रेजेंट में जी रहे हैं जी, हम
yes.
तो अच्छे हैं, हम तो अच्छा ही
Correct,
करते आए हैं, तो वी
correct,
कैन नॉट बी रॉन्ग
correct, correct.
or dirty. True, I got your
Exactly
point,
right.
that's amazing. I just want to need one ask you one more thing.
Sure.
uh, what part of your life or
Mm-hmm.
you as a person, what
Mm-hmm.
was that one thing you were facing and hypnosis helped you, because there are
Mm.
plenty of healing therapies around, you
Correct.
know, when some people
Mm.
when some people promote any one kind of therapy, that means that
Mm.
particular person has actually been helped by the therapy. तो ऐसा आपके
Correct.
लाइफ में क्या था जो आपको लगा कि हाँ यार ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए और ये ठीक हुआ है मेरे से और मुझे रास्ता मिला है, अब आई एम द वन हु विल डेफिनेटली शेयर विद द वर्ल्ड कि या ये पंगा था एंड सी आई हैव सॉल्व्ड इट
Mm.
एंड आई लव डूइंग इट.
Correct.
And
Correct.
maybe people doesn't understand hypnosis the way it should be known, so you are really helping them to understand, baba, it is not like that, it is this way, it is easy to access, it
Mm.
is actually
Mm.
helpful. तो आपको वो कभी लगा और
Correct.
what exactly helped you in what was helped?
So I'll answer your question a little differently. If I was to, obviously there are several connections, but for some people, they have had this one life-changing moment of, aha, I get it now, because of a particular modality. If I look at my own life, so I've had several, like we all have, experiences, big and small, in our lives, right? So if I look back at, the kind of person that I've been, I've always been somebody who wanted to, who believed in giving the other person the benefit of the doubt. Always been somebody who will listen more before I respond. That's just sort of my natural inclination, if you want to call it that, right? But when I, kind of began this journey, which was, as I said, it was advertising. I was like, okay, I'm really passionate about advertising, or so I thought. But having worked in like some of the best, the biggest agencies, advertising agencies in the country, it was like I got to live my dream very, very quickly. And then I was like, nahi yaar, kuch to, there is something missing, right?
It was
That
inner
was
calling, basically
actually
yours was inner calling.
the inner calling. So,
Mm.
so for me, I've been very blessed that I didn't have a particular tool that gave me that inner calling. The inner calling was always there. And when I chose, like I said, in my story, I said, okay, I know what I don't want. Now, what do I actually want to do in my life? No idea. But I trusted and I had that faith that I'm just going to walk the path. कहीं ना कहीं से तो at the right time, the right tool, if you want to call it,
रास्ता आएगा, because once you
रास्ता
leave
अपने
what you
आप,
don't want, yeah,
that's it.
then you
That's
get the
it.
confidence कि ये तो नहीं करना, and you stop doing that, and then at least
Exactly.
you are giving the signal to the universe कि बाबा I'm ready for what I am meant for, वो छोड़ दिया जो मुझे
Correct.
नहीं. This is
Bang on.
how, perfectly fine, because this is how even healing works, this is how even manifestations work. If
Yeah.
you make a space for what you really want, it will pop up only when you
Yes.
actually leave the things which you
Yes.
don't want.
Yes.
Excellent,
And
excellent,
I'll
this is
add just
amazing,
one more
because
thing
that was the
here.
inner calling.
No, absolutely. I'm saying I'll add just one more thing here, that I have experienced different modalities, many different modalities in my own, healing journey, in my own spiritual journey, in my own inner awakening journey, if you want to call it that, right?
Yeah.
But interestingly for me, when I finally landed up at hypnosis, it was like I had come home.
Got it.
Right? And for
Got
me, the way I look at it, hypnosis is like this. It's like Ganga Maya, right? It's like literally, it cleanses anything so long as you're willing to allow that cleansing to happen.
True.
So, and for me, it's not about me anymore. I get to do this for other people. I get to hold that space for other people,
Other
right?
people.
That
Hmm.
is every day it's a reminder that I am exactly where I'm meant to be.
Great. So any few examples in your journey which you want to share and let people
Mm-hmm.
understand कि
Mm-hmm.
hypnosis से ये भी ठीक हो सकता है और ये
Mm,
because people generally will have ये हो
of
सकता
course.
है, हम इसके लिए आ सकते हैं, हम इसके लिए आ
Mm,
सकते हैं. I just want you to tell them
बिल्कुल.
because I understand you're accessing a human mind. So उस human mind में जो कुछ भी था which is
Correct.
not useful now, we are helping them to clear that off
Correct.
और change the perspective.
Correct.
नजरिया बदल दिया उस चीज का जिसको लेके आप बैठे हुए थे, और वो
Correct.
नजरिया बदल गया तो नए नजरिए से आप जिंदगी जियोगे तो ऑब्वियसली आप फ्रेश और बेटर
Yes.
फील करोगे.
बिल्कुल.
So
बिल्कुल.
I didn't want to you to share that like what all things can be done.
बिल्कुल. So to simplify it, like this is the reason why, in my academy, this is why I call it the 5 streams, right? Streams बोलेंगे तो I guess नदियाँ, right? The rivulets, नहीं, streams क्या होते हैं? Rivulets ही होते हैं. तो mini rivers, right? जो जुड़ के एक जैसे
एक बड़ी
महासागर
रिवर
जैसा
बनाते
बन
हैं.
जाता है. हाँ,
True.
बिल्कुल. तो मेरे हिसाब से from my own experiences 5 हैं ऐसे. एक है हेल्थ, दूसरा वेल्थ, तीसरा रिलेशनशिप्स, चौथा स्पिरिचुअलिटी और पांचवा इज पर्पस. तो इफ यू आस्क मी, hypnosis is something that can and that I use frequently, whether it's with my clients or with my students, in all these 5 areas. तो हेल्थ में अगर आप देखोगे तो आपका द वे आई लुक एट इट, हेल्थ का होता है, एक तो फिटनेस होता है, राइट?
True.
दूसरा होता है वेलनेस, एंड तीसरा होता है एक्चुअल लाइक योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, राइट? So I know for a fact, and my wife swears by it. So she was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2018, right? तो अभी 5 साल हो गए हैं.
Okay.
And she knows in a big way that a lot of what I did with her through her, journey of going for the treatment every step of the way, and in the whole recovery, then and even today, it has definitely played a big role in her recovery and her journey, right? Whether you call it जैसे बोलते हैं ना मानसिक प्रोत्साहन, like your inner drive to stay present, to stay positive, it's helped her in a big way. दूसरा जो होता है कि जैसे कि आपको स्लीप देखोगे, बिकॉज टुडे, स्पेशली टुडे, आज ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भी है इंटरनेट पे एंड इवन आउटसाइड कि इफ यू आर एबल टू मैनेज योर स्लीप, your health itself will change dramatically.
Improve.
बिल्कुल. तो
Definitely.
sleep again is
True.
one of those areas where it plays a huge role, because see, at the end of the day, जब हम लोग स्ट्रेस होते हैं, केमिकल तौर पे आप बोलोगे तो अपना कॉर्टिसोल लेवल बढ़ जाता है. जब कॉर्टिसोल लेवल हाई होता है तो स्लीप इज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. नामुमकिन तो शायद नहीं, बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू फॉलो स्लीप. बिल्कुल. तो like I said, so health is one area. Now, interestingly, wealth also is a massive area where hypnosis plays a big role. Why? Because everything that I believe that I can and can't achieve is based on my self-belief, my worthiness, कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए बट आई एम नॉट डिजर्विंग. अगर वो मेरा अंदर का वो तानसेन गा रहा है हर दिन, तो इवन इफ क्लाइंट्स कम टू मी, अंदर 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 ही अंदर आई एम लाइक मत आओ मत आओ मत आओ, right? So it becomes difficult to attract money, and you also know this. It's like one is attracting money, the other is to be able to hold that, and the third
Because
step, which
conscious
has
mind तो
been
मांग रहा है.
बिल्कुल
Conscious mind needs money कि मेरे को तो चाहिए, I want to enjoy my life.
exactly
और subconscious mind में you have already fed them कि भाई money is not good, क्यों लेके आ रहा है यार, नहीं आनी चाहिए.
exactly
So it's contradiction. Your contradiction your own steps,
yes
physical
yes
steps. I got
right. So
your
there's
point.
one is attracting it, two is holding it, and three is using it. That means I'm using it to better the life of me, my family, and society. So if I'm able to get into that mindset, then automatically in that high vibration, when I'm saying और पैसे, मुझे और पैसे चाहिए, it will come, because I have a system of what to do
True.
with that money. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं वो सब गड्डी लेके उस पर
True.
बैठ रहा हूँ, उससे तो कुछ होता नहीं है.
True.
वो ब्लॉक हो
True.
जाता है, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मनी ब्लॉक्स. सो
True.
So that's where, in the context of wealth, it plays a huge role. Third, very important, relationships, right? We all have our own baggage. We all have our own interpretation of what is the right relationship, what is the right way to be, wrong way to be. And a lot of this actually comes, like I said, from the past. जो हम लोग अपने मम्मी डैडी से सीखे हैं by
Yes.
just observing them, right?
Yes.
So hypnosis is one of those, and obviously there are many tools that are out there. I can only talk about what I know can be used and that I use on a regular and ongoing basis, which is if somebody is having issues in their relationship, a lot of that has to do with their own self concept, their own what they learned when they were growing up, right? So this is where it plays a huge role. Interestingly, I started to notice when it comes to spirituality, this is one of the ways to go into an altered state. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि आप योगा सीखो ताकि आप बॉडी को शांत रखो, so that you can actually do the deeper work, connect with your inner being. In hypnosis, you're just going into that altered state, trance में, and you're able to connect to the divine.
ऑल्टर स्टेट में जाके अपनी ऑल्टरेशंस करके आ जाओ.
Exactly right. And one
Bend
last
yourself and
thing,
come back.
बिल्कुल. One last thing is कि जैसे I said purpose का क्या मतलब हुआ कि we all actually have a purpose, right? For most of us, or let's say, I'm sure a lot of your viewers are in that state of wanting to change their life. So they're already somewhere scratching the surface of, भाई मेरा purpose क्या है? मुझे यहाँ क्यों भेजा गया है?
True.
Right? It is not to be in pain for the rest of my life. No, I'm meant to learn something from the pain that I'm experiencing and transcend it, and that's how I become that billboard for other people.
True.
कि भाई हमने भी किया है, आप भी कर सकते हो. So this is, if I look at these 5 streams, that's where hypnosis plays a big role. And
5 streams
I
मतलब
see so
5
many
streams is nothing but a human being की पूरी life. Each
Yes.
and every aspect can be touched. Why?
बिल्कुल.
Because we are accessing your subconscious mind and we are doing the alterations
Yes.
there. और ये बहुत बेसिक बात है, अंदर से ऑल्टरेशन होगी तो अंदर और बाहर
Correct.
दोनों मैच होगा,
Exactly.
दोनों मैच होगा तो जो चाहोगे वो आएगा डेफिनेटली. और एक
Exactly.
मेरा क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन है, आई एम श्योर ये क्यूरियोसिटी बाकी लोगों की भी
बिल्कुल.
होगी. क्यूरियोसिटी इज कि वो स्टेज पे दिखाते हैं ना पेंडुलम और हम गए, व्हाट दैट? आई हैव ऑलवेज थॉट
बिल्कुल.
ऑफ दैट एज अ हिप्नोसिस कि उसने मुझे हिप्नोटाइज कर दिया, वो जो बोल
नहीं,
रहा है
so that
मैं
is
कर
one
रही
of
हूँ.
them. So
अच्छा,
there are
इट इज
two
वन
ways
ऑफ
to
दिस
answer that
मेनी.
question.
ओके.
Many. So there are two ways to answer that. ठीक है. एक जो होता है, the intention of the pendulum. So it's like this. Even if I say to you, I'll do a very mild version of it right now, right? Even if I say, like right now, Priya, as you're looking at me, right? Notice your breath.
Sorry, it got
That's it.
stuck. I could not hear.
No worries. As you're looking at me, notice your breath. And with every eye blink, that's it. Notice there's something happening inside of you. That's
Yes.
it. And it's okay if you want to close your eyes now and just be in this state of deeper. That's it. Relaxation. And you will know, because your unconscious mind will give you the signal that it's gently time to come all the way up when your eyes start to open. That's right. And only then take all the time that you need to feel your own inner being, your unconscious mind. That's right. That's it. That's it.
Sorry.
Nice. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Take your time.
जब when I was looking into your eyes ना, पता नहीं आता, I don't know why it happened, but I really felt कि वो जैसे dizziness, आप सुन्न
Yes,
हो
yes,
रहे
yes,
हो,
yes,
ये feeling आई थी for fraction of
yes.
second. Maybe I was more conscious कि मुझे conscious रहना है. It's a recording, conscious रहना है, but I could feel
Feel
that
that,
dizziness.
right? So there are two
Now
things.
please have to make me do it once.
Definitely.
ऐसे हो जाओ, but then you're saying and I'm doing it.
So there are two things, right?
We'll do that.
So here's the thing. One is, of course, the pendulum, right? The other is anything. If you remember in yogic sciences, we have that, there's that, the staring at the candle. There's one, I forget the name now, but it's basically one of those exercises where you stare at the candle.
Yeah, Tratika.
Tratika. That's right. Right?
Yeah.
So all of these are doing the same thing, which is when you focus on one thing, everything else starts to drift away and your focusing and your vision starts to tunnel in, which is similar to when you're going to sleep, is it not?
Yeah.
You're conscious and then, right?
True.
The difference is here you can do it even when you're sitting up.
Yeah.
And of course, there are layers and layers and layers and layers. But the intention here is, see, I went into a state of hypnosis. That's the secret. If I had said, okay, Priya, go on, close your eyes now. You'll be like, huh? Right? Now it will still work because I've already set the tone correctly. Right? It's like, oh, this is interesting. Yeah, let me close my eyes now. But if I had straight away said, oh, come on, Priya, you can close your eyes now. You'll be like, I don't know. So a lot of this is how we set the frame. Now, going back to your question, just to close that for the moment, this pocket watch wala funda became popular in the 1800s because, as they would say, gentlemen always would have a watch.
Yeah.
Pocket watch जो सूट में रहता था, 3-piece वाला, वो हमेशा था उनके पास. That was the only thing.
Yeah.
So watch becomes easy and it's like a movement. So eyes are moving it. That is all that it is. Now, if you're moving the pendulum very fast, वो दर्द होने लग जाएगा. उससे trance बहुत difficult होता है. But it's like when you relax, and that's why my tone, everything shifted and everything got slower. I was more, in a slower breathing. So it's like you're mirroring that. And then after a while, your own, जैसे बोलते हैं, neurology, your own inner system takes over. Why? Because you know how to relax, because you've done it in the past.
True.
Of course, it takes skill. All that is there, no doubt. But जो mechanics
skill, practice, come on. I mean, you being, you're given so many years to it. So it has to be yeah, होता है ना, because see, even if I have been doing healing, एक बोलना healing करना, okay, release कर दो, okay, positive हो जाओ, हमारे लिए वो इसलिए कहना आसान है because now we have practiced so many times कि वो एक word जैसे आपके लिए बोलना, it is so easy कि प्रिया look into my eyes, the moment I say close, you will close and you will relax. वो आपका इतना strong हो चुका है वो कि your subconscious mind knows it कि ये word बोला और ये गई, बेहोश हुई. So that is working strong because since mine is little weaker now because I'm still in that state, yours is stronger because you have practiced so much. तो वो dominant होके आपको result देता है. I understand that.
Correct.
It is perfectly fine. This is how it is.
And
it is
one
amazing.
last thing is,
so
my intention. My intention was for you to experience something good. वो सबसे महत्व होता है. If my intention was to do you harm, दो ही बातें होंगे. Either your unconscious would not catch up कि मैं harm करने वाला हूं, right? जैसे कि एक बार आपका पॉकेट पिक हो सकता है, लेकिन आप दूसरी बार वो सेम मोहल्ले में नहीं जाओगे या सतर्क होके जाओगे, क्योंकि ये आपका अभी So even when I did it with you, it was not joke के हिसाब से, not चलो मजा करते हैं, ट्रिक कर रहे हैं. Oh no, it's a very clear.
It's not a prank.
Very clear that
there is one more thing
to
popped up. Yeah, sorry. One more thing popped up.
बिल्कुल.
My chachi in Delhi, she was out with the driver
Okay.
और मतलब एक बंदा आया, उसने उनसे बात करी
Hmm.
और कड़े ले गया।
हाँ, that's a very common.
बात करके कैसे? व्हाट इज दैट?
So, so, so there is this term called mentalism. ठीक है,
ओके।
mentalism. Mentalism ये होता है, it is a combination of hypnosis. It is a combination of, जैसे मैजिक में बोलते हैं ना, sleight of hand. आप
हाँ
यूं
जी।
यूं यूं देखो तो आपका हैंड, आपका आई गेज विल गो
ध्यान
हियर,
यहाँ चला गया। हाँ।
ध्यान यहाँ चले जाता है. सो आई कैन डू, बट अगेन इट्स प्रैक्टिस. इन्होंने बहुत बार ऐसे किया है, दैट इज व्हाई दे आर सेइंग समथिंग, सो यू आर थिंकिंग देयर, एंड इट्स, देयर इज अ होल लाइक मेथड
और वो
टू
खुद
इट.
उतार
एंड
के दे रही है, इट इज नॉट कि उसने लिया है।
एग्जैक्टली.
So maybe in the conversation, how
यस
he molded the mind of the
यस यस
person, कि
यस
बंदे ने कहा मैं ही की थी।
यस
It's not like
यस.
he scratched out.
No, 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 no. Because the thing is, we all have this, by the way. हमारा जो अंदर का सिस्टम है, वो सबसे जल्दी पकड़ेगा when we are a threat. Because सदियों से जब वो हम लोग जंगल में शेर देखते थे ना, या
Got it.
टाइगर देखते थे, भागो. नहीं भागे तो मर गए, खत्म. किसी
True.
टाइगर या शेर का खाना बन गए हम लोग, राइट?
True.
तो वो जो
Yeah.
वैसे बोलते हैं ना, इट्स हियर एट द बेस ऑफ आवर स्कल, दैट ability of protection is very high.
Right.
But if we are able to distract, then all these kind of things happen.
Because that person didn't come as a threat. He
नहीं,
came as a, आप like
बिल्कुल
शांत बंदा जिससे आप उम्मीद भी नहीं कर
बिल्कुल.
सकते कि he'll come and do something nasty with you. Or you're
Yes,
just talking and
yes,
talking and I swear I really
100%.
want to see that happening in front of me. It was she came back home. She was okay. After sitting in the car, she realized and said, "Shankar, मेरे कड़े कहाँ गए?"
Hmm.
तो एक सेकंड के लिए
Yeah,
रुकी बात करने के लिए, it's gone. Oh my,
correct. It's
even
it's
that's a
like
kind of
anything.
hypnosis
It's
का
a
हम practice.
practiced.
It is
It's a
practice.
practiced art, and a lot of that is like largely it is mentalism, because you're doing a whole bunch of things, not one thing.
Not one. Okay. ओके और हम लोग वैसे भी बाहर उस कॉन्शियस माइंडसेट से खड़े भी नहीं होते हो, वी आर लाइक जस्ट
Correct,
स्टैंडिंग कैजुअली.
correct,
I got
correct.
your point. Now next time whenever this will happen, she'll be prepared not to let anybody come
100%.
close to her or talk to anybody stranger. She'll be prepared now, conscious. तो वो बंदा अब दोबारा
Yes,
से नहीं हो पाएगा,
yes.
सेम सिचुएशन नहीं हो पाएगी. I got your
Correct,
point.
correct, correct, correct.
Has to be accessed once only, suddenly.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. So that was a quite interesting conversation. Anything else you would like? Because I will be sharing your link and your profile and how to contact you
Mm,
in the description box, because I really want people,
mm,
you being a healer, me being a healer, we always have this intention of,
mm.
like let people, लोगों को ना connection feel होने दो, because
बिल्कुल,
anyhow we need to help them. And I want to clear
बिल्कुल.
one thing more to everybody who is listening to
Mm-hmm,
us is
mm-hmm,
जैसे चोट लगने पे वी गो टू डॉक्टर,
mm.
ठीक है,
Correct,
और फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट कि वो ट्रीटमेंट मुझे मिले, बिकॉज बिकॉज सिंस यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम योर eyes, physical eyes, कि this is something has gone bad, I need
mm.
a dawai or a dressing, you go pay and take their services because you trust them, because
Correct,
they have done
correct,
those 5 years of study and then 10 years of practice. They know about human body. We can
correct.
blindly trust them which ointment to put, which medicine to
Mm.
eat. So we're trusting them, and that trust is working for us and is actually getting healed. Same
Correct.
way I
Mm.
want to tell everybody, this water filter, हमारा जो फिल्टर वाला एग्जांपल है, जो अंदर फिल्टर है जो हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, it actually becomes choked and overflowed, और हम उसको नहीं ध्यान से देते हैं. This is high time
Correct.
when you are seeking help from anybody like us
Mm.
in the world. हम दोनों perfect नहीं है,
Yeah.
but हम दोनों भी
Mm.
एक journey में हैं. So at least
Correct.
we both have done class 4 or class 5. We can at least help class 2 and class 1 children.
Mm.
So this is something I want to say. Don't hesitate to contact any person you feel resonated with, or you feel
Correct.
comfortable with, or you
Correct.
feel he or she can help
Correct.
me. और पैसे तो कभी मत
Correct.
सोचना. Why people like us
Mm.
charge is simply because जो हम डॉक्टर की तरह जो हमने जो चीज पे आप लोगों ने ध्यान नहीं दिया उस चीज पे हमने ध्यान दिया वो 5
करेक्ट।
साल। जैसे डॉक्टर ने फ्रेंड्स रिश्तेदारों को छोड़ के, खेलना कूदना छोड़ के फोकस किया है 5 इयर्स बॉडी एनाटॉमी के ऊपर, ताकि वो फ्यूचर में आपकी हेल्प कर सके। सेम वे पीपल लाइक अस, दे आर पीपल हु आर एक्सपर्ट देन अस ऑफ कोर्स, बट पीपल लाइक अस, we are working, we have focused those years on that part of us which is not visible.
करेक्ट।
So we have given our time there. We have learned through different ठोकर खा के भी हमने सीखा है. So we have learned through different techniques. At least we can help you. जैसे डॉक्टर can help you. यहाँ पे swelling है तो प्लीज ये दवाई मत लगाना या बर्फ मत लगाना, खराब हो जाएगा, because we know what is right and what is wrong. Same way people like us who are healers, they at least know what not to do and what wrong you are doing. At least we can help you in that. So in that case, don't hesitate to invest on yourself. Money is just an energy. अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करके अपने आप को ठीक करोगे तो फ्यूचर में आप डबल ट्रिपल 5 टाइम्स अर्न अपने आप कर लोगे. इट इज वेरी नेचुरल. सो अपने आप को होल्ड मत करो, बिकॉज फिल्टर क्लीन होना बहुत जरूरी है. वंस इट इज क्लीन, योर पर्सपेक्टिव विल चेंज, योर सिस्टम विल चेंज, योर लाइफ विल चेंज. इट विल बी अ 360 डिग्री टर्न्स एंड एटलीस्ट यू विल बी एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली. सो हेजिटेट नहीं करना है. This is another way of healing yourself. This is called hypnotherapy. Hypnosis, self-hypnosis. So feel free to at least contact him, talk it out, understand, see if you feel connected, because everybody here is there to help each of us. हम लोग अपनी लाइफ में भी यार रेसिपीज घर में सीखते हैं लेडीज, तो अपने न्यू मेंबर्स के हाउस में या बिल्डिंग में किसी को हम नया सिखाते ही है ना उनको जाके, क्योंकि हमें पता है इस रेसिपी में ऐसे जल जाएगा, ऐसे मत कर, इसको ऐसे बना. इट इज सेम वे, नथिंग मोर डिफरेंट देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इन आवर डेली लाइफ. बस हमारा वो फोकस 10 साल 15 साल फोकस उस तरफ हो गया, इसलिए हमको डूज एंड डोंट्स पता चल गए. सेकेंडली, स्कूल में सिखाते नहीं है, इसलिए हमें अवेयरनेस नहीं है. थर्डली, हमारे सिर पे जब कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है तब हम जागते हैं, देन वी सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड वी जस्ट स्कैटर आवर एनर्जी एवरीवेयर ऑन द इंटरनेट. So focus on any one therapy which you feel is good for you and you feel connected. Focus, approach people, get into it, be open to share whatever issues you have. Even regarding money, other people can always help you out to make it in a, step by step EMIs and whatever. But at least go and open yourself to at least one therapist. It is help. You will definitely get help. You will definitely become better. This is मेरी दिल से रिक्वेस्ट है सबके लिए कि डोंट होल्ड योरसेल्फ एंड एटलीस्ट ओपन अप एंड शेयर इट आउट. क्योंकि हमारे इंडियन सिस्टम में स्पेशली, इवन बाहर भी, सबकॉन्शियस जो चीज दिख नहीं रही है उस पर हमने कभी वर्क नहीं किया है. That filter kabhi dikha rahi hai, we have never worked on it, so we don't know. Even our parents did not know, even our teachers did not know. So if we are able to understand, then I think we all are, people like us are there in the world to share and help you out. Please socho mat or go for it.
Beautiful.
This is something I really feel, because I get people asking me such things.
नहीं, बिल्कुल बेझिझक.
बेझिझक, ट्रू. क्योंकि हर चीज नॉर्मल है. वियर्ड क्वेश्चंस आना नॉर्मल है, वियर्ड एक्सपीरियंस होना नॉर्मल है, बैड ट्रीटमेंट भी हो गया है, पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है भाई. कई लोग बैड ट्रीटमेंट कर जाते हैं, अननोइंगली कर जाते हैं, इट इज ओके.
एंड डाउट होना इज नॉर्मल.
और हमारे रिएक्शंस भी नॉर्मल. ट्रू. या. So each and every experience and each and everything happening to you in your life is very normal. आप शायद उन लोगों के बीच में हो सकते हो जिन्होंने उस नॉर्मल को हवा बना के आपके सामने पेश किया है. बट डोंट वरी, वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. इतनी बड़ी दुनिया है, इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस है. Am I stuck?
No, you're fine. I can see you.
Am I stuck? So feel free to at least have a conversation. Approach तो करो कम से कम. सोचो मत कि ये तो YouTube पे आते हैं तो बड़े लोग हैं, हम कैसे बात करेंगे. No, we all are human beings. That is it, normal as it is. So feel free to contact Rahul George, and I will be adding all his details in the description box. Feel free to talk to him, and if you all can help yourself, I'll be grateful.
And thank you once again.
One last word Rahul wants to
say. It's been an absolute joy talking to you. this is
Thank you.
the power of us being in different time zones, far flung. However, it's as if, you and I were sitting at a cafe or, someplace just having a conversation. And, my prayer and my hope and my belief is that this will definitely help people. And, we know this, especially when it comes to healing, that whatever is meant for us will come to us. There's no,
Definitely, definitely, and I believe
you may
totally
be
in that.
delayed but not denied.
Definitely. DD,
Right.
definitely. I trust it thoroughly. Intention अच्छी होनी चाहिए और अपने
बिल्कुल.
efforts 100% होने चाहिए. That's it. We both
Hmm.
can do this only. We both are like one is there and I'm here. Still, we both are thinking for our tribe and our community,
Correct.
people who really look upon us and they feel connected to us. हमारी कोशिश है कि उन तक ये बात हम पहुंचाएं. This is our effort. ठीक है, पानी हम ले आए हैं आप तक, पीना अब आपने है. वी हैव
Correct.
मेड इट क्लियर कि ये पानी अच्छे फिल्टर का है.
Hmm.
So that is
Nicely
something we
said.
can do from our efforts.
Yeah.
So it was
Beautiful.
nice talking to you, Rahul. I'm so
Likewise.
happy
Likewise,
to
Priya.
introduce you on my platform. I'm so
And
grateful.
thank you so much for that.
And hopefully we'll plan up few things further
Hmm.
also. Let the
Hmm.
people let me
Yeah.
around.
Yeah.
We will be planning pretty soon few live
Hmm.
sessions for all of you.
Hmm.
तो जो लोग अभी भी झिझकने वाले स्टेज पे
Hmm.
हैं और नहीं हिम्मत कर पा रहे हैं जाके बात करने की, we both are planning to have a live session once a month. We will
Hmm.
soon announce the date so that लाइव पे आके आप लोग बात कर सको.
Correct.
जो भी आपको डाउट है वो आप कर सको and let your question
Hmm.
answer other people also.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
that is something we are planning. So we will be coming back again with Rahul soon. Till
Yes.
then,
Thank you so
thank you
much.
so much,
And
Rahul.
look forward to seeing you again
ठीक
soon.
है? Have a good
Take
day.
care. Yes. Bye-bye.